NPP ni
Krofo ya hunana.
Yes. Ya mama ni sika bi ana. Nti once asem no baabi e wo se ekọ na nipa e wo radio ni TV mu gidie sa asem no enye no kranka radio fu aka no ebe wi a kire no na asem no akwa ya bibibi wa wuntimi nka asem no wa wuntimi nsakira asem no wobia won interest kodwo opon me yete ase me no me ka asem oyi kodwo opon me yete ase se Ghana ha na ye wo no wobia chese ni interest as politician no ono wo chese ni interest nti wo na wuti anope no ka wasem no wo interest ye de hene wo chese NDC na wo chese NPP ana wo chese CPP na wo chese ana wo chese wo destiny Ghana ye problem ni ye de hene. It's not about leadership wana. Leadership no kura jina hono mu a. What are the measures? Because in crisis no, any who is a good leader? Because every good leader be in terms of crisis no, and what me yini man for free sa crisis no. Now what the measures go hono mu a sa measures no, and e tere sampa adazo ye leader no. Sa leader na adazo ye no. Ebra ye koto se nsuo na we no. Ala adazo. Yeah, me am Mohami or boss. Oh, Mohami. I was a PTA chama. PTA chama,
region. It is a lie. When you go back and you check your major roads in the Volta region, you will see that President Kufuor did a lot. When the Kufuor came, he is also continuing it. Put that on the side. Just recently, we had the vice president come over there for an event that Togbi Sri, I love that man so much, put together and invited his brothers who are also paramount kings and chiefs and what have you to come and celebrate in that wonderful display of culture with him. The vice president tried to state certain gains that we have made. Now today, let me give you another statistics. Go and check. Before free education, Volta for Muntie, before free education, Volta region was one of the most underprivileged education place, or like produced the less education people whenever it came to examination, and that was due to poverty. Okay, you can check. They all checking in anywhere, brabidi matem, but they are making it no correct. You can check the facts and come and reply me later. Okay, Volta region, until free education, was one of the places that lacked a lot when it comes to education. Now look at their rating in the education column. Look at schools in Volta region that were nothing. First, no, open school or Volta regional school ani enima ne Mauli. Meboa. Mauli secondary. And one ani yeti. And then you have Kita, you have this. There are so many schools that are going on in the Volta region. And all is by the doings of His Excellency Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Now, this video I'm playing now, if you are from Ho, this is your central market that they are doing for you. I think it is almost complete, or it is completed. And very soon, traders in the Volta municipalities of Ho would be able to use this facility to sell their stuff, make money in order to cater for their families. Don't let anybody lie to you that you were born to worship NDC. It is a lie. They don't want your development. Don't let nobody tell you that you, as an, excuse me to use the word, ewe person, the only thing you are supposed to vote for is NDC. It is a lie. Do your best and look for the opportunities that this government is bringing. Tap yourself into it and make yourself useful. Don't rely on propaganda from this party you have slaved for all these years. Check their track record. You have voted for NDC MPs. You have voted for NDC DCEs. You have voted for NDC assemblymen. You have voted for NDC presidents all your life. Look at your area. They couldn't develop it. They could not develop it, but you have voted for them in that category. Look at who is working for you. Let us watch this beautiful edifice. Obi an share page in my very important. Nefri won tumem Sa beno eye nokre. NPP for moye dankwa dombo buzia tradition believers. NPP for modomo party, moye real patriots. And I say moye patriotic citizens. Modomo party. Mesremo. Ebrena so say. Moma yenina ho. Mutie. Na enkanka bibi. Ma for welcome long time. I hope so hoye. Enkanka bibi a sebe. Aba befra eye ye party no. Mamu mayama omum politumo. And there's some more mamu ni adawa. Krache baba wani adie bebre na nenam ho. Oh ena oh yeah NDC baby yeah NPP for yeah NPP for. The truth is they are not. You understand? Oma befra yemu. And on ne omo be yo mo say oh me na me NPP ni but oh dear cause ne dey me support to be oboa. Omo ye NPP for papa na omo te dankwa dombo buzia tradition ase. Womu nim sebe NPP ashase no mu nim the NPP stand for no. They do not speak like that. Osha womu complain so ya womu ba politics mu say ye be bibi every politics me nya say ye be build your mind. And they would meet ya NPP ni na oni nipo din komo afa NPP ho a beka said ya wo ka bibi a sebe just say odwene ho a on shedan tiasie. Let us be very 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 careful. Na se kwesi me de makasa fidie kitwa ikasa sa me 2x4 phone ya wo hwe me wo mu me de kasa mamu hu ne se krachi bi asebe na dwene sebe ono dwene se na dwene buro bia so ntino ye mmia no o opa onka de obeka menka nkyere mo. We are killing this party not because of what NDC is doing, because NDC don't have much arsenals. NDC doesn't have what it takes to kick us out of government. We are close to election year. As it stands, they still don't even have a single policy, not even that. They are not even towing a line that will show, say, oh, okay, and maybe I am found it. They are still thinking about yenkoku ni pamra power. Moya ye be bomo, moya ye be kun, ye be dragi ballot box, mule, Jimmy, ye de basana, sani ye nimu ye intino. That is our traditionality. Yes, sir. That is all they are showing. And unti se metwana metise, obi jina hona wutumi hu, NPP nipa, and esie dun keti omekwe. Are you people serious? Is esie dun ketia new? Esie dun ketia has been in the affairs and running NDC for 17 years. Or do you want to know opposition? How many years in here? So what is he really bringing different? Nothing. Nothing to know. Anka NDC for cry and common yeshi. But unfortunately for my lovely NPP party, the party I sit here and put myself in danger for, they are not seeing it say, we have a task and a mission to complete. They are seeing it say, wala kofa bachro ho se me ndi bi na se mo makodi dia ene emu mbo me so ka bi agumu amana say. We need to be very 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 careful. And it starts with the party. Andra me mame boni araba ka sembi. Sorry, me mame babs boni fache me. So wabo me din o sre na ade abo me din na mabo din no. But me mame babs ka sembi Andra. Na sem o kan ye ne se yeni a ye wo page so ene mo amutie mi ni na ye ni na ye bedi adanse se ye communication no sebe ejija kakra adentia because yede ya aboabe asamoa ebe ye communication person no. NPP became a passive communication apparatus. What do I mean passive? To the point to say